This is the Tank T3 in always-on ambient mode. Tiny flick of the wrist, you can bring up the full watch face, cover it to turn it off, tap it to turn it on. So many ways of working this watch. When you swipe down, you got Bluetooth calling you can activate, and it's a very nice implementation on this watch. Brightness controls, do not disturb, your overall settings are on this one. You've got your apps in here, which include all the things that go along with calling, as well as an SOS function down here that you can program to call an important contact if you have an emergency. You got your daily activities and workouts. Of course, it supports heart rate and blood oxygen. Last night's sleep time shows up in here, complete with all the basic information and more in the app. You've got stress actually monitored 24/7 on this watch too. Music player, your voice assistant, weather in your area, and breathing exercises. All the standard stuff, including a stopwatch that will run in the background, going for 45 hours already and still kicking. Alarm clocks, timers, calculators, remote shutters, a really nice bright flashlight. And by the way, I programmed the bottom button here to be a flashlight. You can program this to be whatever you would like. You got find your phone, ladies, women's health, and of course your overall settings, which includes a lot of capabilities all centered around this always on that can be integrated with watches. Your display and brightness lets you turn on or off the raise to wake or the tap to wake. Multiple controls on this one, and really nice special band on it. It's a silicone band with durability and stretchability. 170 plus workouts are built into this one. A zinc alloy case on it. Lots of stock faces. You can download special faces to it as well. It is the Tank T3. Check it out.